Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 18, Working of the United Nations. In the previous chapter, we have studied about the aims and the principles of United Nations. Now we are going to learn about the functions of the United Nations. Students, no country or government has control over the United Nations, as it is an organization of 192 countries. The main objective of the United Nations is to maintain international peace and security. The United Nations strives to achieve these aims with the help of its 6 main organs and several specialized agencies. So in this chapter we will study about them in detail. The main organs of the United Nations. The 6 organs of the United Nations are General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice, UN Secretariat. First, we will discuss about General Assembly. The General Assembly is the main organ of the United Nations. All member countries of the United Nations have their representatives in the General Assembly. Each member country possesses one vote in the Assembly. The General Assembly is the main organ of the United Nations to discuss and make policies on issues such as peace, security, and admission of new members. The General Assembly holds its meeting once a year at its headquarters in New York City. It meets in long sessions which are held in 2 time periods from September to December and from January till all the issues before it are discussed. It approves the budget of the UN and discusses various issues raised by its members. Now we will learn about Security Council. The Security Council is mainly responsible for maintaining peace and security in the world. It is the actual working body of the UN and a representative of its member has to be present in the UN headquarters at all times. It has 15 member states, 5 permanent and 10 non-permanent. The 5 permanent members are the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Russia and China. The non-permanent members of the Council are elected by the General Assembly for a period of 2 years. The presidency of the Security Council is held for 1 month in a rotation by its members. Student, you have to read this topic from your book. So listen and watch this video carefully. Thank you.